The fuel cost is the most important cost in the boiler operation cost, and it is important to choose suitable fuel and corresponding type of boiler. EPCB conducted in-depth market research and adapted waste fabric burning boiler for a large number of textile and garment factory users in Bangladesh. The clothing industry needs steam boilers to provide stable power. In terms of fuel selection, according to the actual situation of the factory, combined with the reuse and availability of waste fabrics, a boiler that burns waste fabrics can be selected. In addition to textile and garment factories, many factories close to textile and garment factories or users who can easily obtain such fuels can also choose such boilers. Textile and garment factories use this boiler without fuel cost. Other factories choose this boiler to reduce fuel cost. Take a look at the user site together. Adopt high quality, high temperature resistant fixed grate, has a long service life and is not easily deformed and damaged. Equipped with high efficiency energy saving equipment such as fin tube economizer, the temperature can be lowered to 110. Adopt three-way structure, and arrange the interval of the smoke pipes reasonably to improve the boiler thermal efficiency. Small size, install easily, good dust removal effect, no clogging, and convenient dust removal. Equipped with bag dust collector, it can effectively desulfurize and remove nitrogen and reduce the content of nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the exhaust gas. At present, EPCB's boiler is operating stably. It is our greatest honor to allow every factory to use a safe and reliable boiler system.